As with starting any exercise routine, it's going to take time in order for you to learn the exercise and in order for your form to get better. It will come. The more you exercise, the more that you learn the correct form when doing your exercises, the better you're going to get at exercise, and also the better benefits you're going to get. Don't give up just because you can't do the exercises when you first start. Like I say, if you keep repeating it, anything that you want to get good at or you want to get better at, if you continuously do it, then you will get better. Exercise has many benefits. It's going to help tone you. It's going to help tone your body a little more as you lose weight. It's going to help you feel good. It's going to help your joints and your muscles. So lots of benefits with exercise. I do want to say, before you start any exercise program, make sure that you check with your doctor first, just to make sure that you don't have any type of limitations. But I hope that you have enjoyed this video. This is the first time that I have done this workout routine, but I found it, and it's through VDS Gym. And I like the exercises that he does. They're more fitting for me as an overweight person to do. So that was why I made this video, and I'm sharing it with you. I think that you should check out the exercises that he does. If you are still overweight and you're needing to exercise, he has some really good, easy exercises that you can do. This is Keto Granny saying, exercise, eat properly, and add in some fasting, and that way you're going to have better results. My scale is starting to move. I lost another pound today, and I'm hoping that I continue, in the right direction. It's something that I'm going to keep working on. I'm going to keep working on it regardless, and I'm going to get it right. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do. That way you won't miss any videos that I share or I upload, or you won't miss any of my journey as I work to get this last 50 to 60 pounds off of my body. And you can also learn, and I can also learn. We can help one another. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, share, and be sure to comment below so that I know if you're watching my videos, if you like these type of videos, and then also give me information to help me be better. This is Keto Granny saying, make sure you subscribe, and see you later. Bye-bye.